Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be baking banana oat cookies. If this is your first time, you're welcome. So let's get started. I'll start by mashing 2 ripe bananas. Okay, this is fine. Here I'll add 1.5 cup of old-fashioned oats, 1 cup of grinded oats, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon, then I'll mix them together. Okay. Here I'll add 1/2 cup of canola oil, the mashed bananas, 2 tablespoons of honey, then mix them together. This is nice, the consistency is fine. Here I'll wash my hands, scoop it using a tablespoon, put it in between my palms and gently roll it. Then place it on the baking sheet. Gently pat it to form a round shape. Then repeat the same process for the remaining pieces. Okay. This is fine. Then I'll bake at 175 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until the cookie is golden brown. These are delicious banana cookies. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do have a wonderful week. Bye.